Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Apple Pencil not working with Goodnotes in 2026. This is the Apple Pencil not working for you in your Goodnotes that can stop your workflow completely, but here's how to fix it. Now before we start, if you want to download the Goodnotes application, you can find it in the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you can install it from there. After the installation is complete, make sure to open the Goodnotes application and to log in using your account, your Google account. Now, if you're using an Apple Pencil, you're gonna have to follow these few simple steps. You're gonna make sure your Apple Pencil is charged. Once you make the Apple Pencil charged, you're gonna also check the Bluetooth is enabled and connected. You can do that by swiping down this bar right, like you see here, and make sure to activate the Bluetooth mode. Once you activate the Bluetooth mode, make sure to pair the pen with your device. Once paired, try again. And if that also doesn't work, try to restart your iPad. You're gonna hold the power button until you see the restart option, then you're gonna click on restart. Now, you can also open Goodnotes and start test writing. For example, you're gonna click and open your S Pen or your Apple Pen. Then you can write with it just like you want and test it. Now, make sure to keep your pencil charged, avoid Bluetooth issues, and update your device regularly. And if your Apple Pencil issues are usually simple connection problems, so fix them quickly and get back to writing in no time. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.